some ingredients and craft a weapon. I'll show you how to enchant.
Let's see. Petra! The diamonds! Woohoo!
Oh my god, Jesse, really?
Where's the woman? Sorry.
Okay, I don't even know anymore. I just really wanted to do this. Don't you dare judge me. Don't judge me, idiots. Oh my god, movie. Let's go. Fight me. I'm ready.
Nice to meet you, Ready.
I'm Eligard.
Oh, get wrecked, Magnus.
Oh. Okay. That face though is kawaii. I gotta stop making these so long. Oh my god.
Yes, we defeated the windstorm. I'm still alive, sucker.
One of us is going to die.
Who's Petra?
Okay, I'm just gonna officially shut up. I don't want to ruin this. Okay, I don't know. Just don't even think about judging me, idiot.